This is your announcer, AWKWAFINA. Check out my new show, AWKWAFINA is Nora from Queens on Comedy Central. Thanks for riding! This is a Manhattan-bound 7 express train, as in the opposite of a local train. The next stop is Metz Willets Point.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is Metz Willets Point. Home of the Mets! I love the Mets, because I'm from Queens and you're riding the 7 train.
Transfer is available to the 7 local. Transfer is available to the Q48 bus to LaGuardia Airport.
This is a Manhattan-bound 7 express train, as in the opposite of a local train. The next stop is Junction Boulevard.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is Junction Boulevard. A friendly reminder that seats are for people, not your bags.
Transfer is available to the 7 local. Transfer is available to the Q72 bus to LaGuardia Airport.
This is a Manhattan-bound 7 express train, as in the opposite of a local train. The next stop is Woodside, 61st Street. This is Woodside, 61st Street. Please help us keep the subway clean. Just the inside, though. Don't go crazy. Transfer is available to the 7 local train. Transfer to the LaGuardia Link Q70 Select Bus Service to LaGuardia Airport. Transfer to the Q53 Select Bus Service. Connection is available to the Long Island Railroad. If you're heading to LaGuardia Airport, good luck. I hope you make your flight. This is a Manhattan-bound 7 express instead of a local train. The next stop is Queensboro Plaza. This is Queensboro Plaza. Please remember to use headphones when listening to music, even if your playlist is straight fire.
Transfer is available to the N and W trains.
This is a Manhattan-bound 7 train. All the stops, baby. The next stop is Court Square. This is Court Square. Please remember, polls are for hands only.
Transfer is available to the E, G, and M trains.
This is a Manhattan-bound 7 train. The next stop is Hunters Point Avenue. This is Hunters Point Avenue. A friendly reminder that seats are for people, not your bags.
Connection is available to the Long Island Railroad.
This is a Manhattan-bound 7 train. The next stop is Vernon Boulevard, Jackson Avenue. This is Vernon Boulevard, Jackson Avenue. Hey, fellas, stop manspreading. Thanks and have a great day. Next stop is in Manhattan, so we're going underwater. Hold your breath. Just kidding. The next stop is Grand Central 42nd Street. This is Grand Central 42nd Street. Go for the train, stay for the large clock.
Transfer is available to the 4, 5, and 6 trains. Transfer is available to the shuttle to Times Square. Connection is available to Metro North.
Metro North.
This is a 34th Street Hudson Yards bound 7 train. The next stop is 5th Avenue, Bryant Park. This is 5th Avenue, Bryant Park. The New York Public Library is here, if you enjoy books.
Transfer is available to the B, D, F, and M trains.
This is a 34th Street Hudson Yards bound 7 train. The next stop is Times Square, 42nd Street. This is Times Square, 42nd Street, where New Yorkers go to relax.
Transfer is available to the 1, 2, 3 A, C, E, N, Q, R, and W trains and shuttle to Grand Central. Connection is available to the Port Authority bus terminal.
This is a 34th Street Hudson Yards bound 7 train. The next and last stop is Hudson Yards, 34th Street. This is Hudson Yards, 34th Street. Hope you like weird architecture. Oh, and check out Aquafina is Nora from Queens on Comedy Central. Please exit the train, unless you want to go back to where you came from. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.